I've been in the Linux world for 15 years. I've hopped through every exciting distro there is. But lately I've realised I don't really want exciting. I want a system that works. I want features, massive software availability. I want to actually learn my system without the drama. One big thing for me lately was moving away from the American-based distros like Fedora. I wanted a European-based project with clear ownership model and no drama. And openSUSE is built in Germany, it's stable, and it has some of the best documentation in the world. Now, people say rolling releases are risky, and usually they are. But Tumbleweed has Snapper integration directly into the ButterFS file system. Every time you run an update, it creates a restore point. If something breaks, you don't even need to log in to fix it. You just select a snapshot from the boot menu and roll it back. It's the ultimate undo button. And then there's YaST, the Swiss Army knife of Linux. Whether you're in the GUI or the terminal, it gives you total control over your hardware, services and configuration in a way that no other distro does. It's honestly mind-blowing that this isn't the standard for all Linux distributions. Now, if you're coming from Mint or Ubuntu, then you're probably used to clicking a little notification in the taskbar to update. In Tumbleweed, you want to avoid that software store updater because Tumbleweed is a rolling release. So we use the command sudo zipper dup, which stands for distribution upgrade. Unlike a standard update, dup is smarter. It looks at the entire repository as a new snapshot of the OS. It handles complex package changes, vendor switches, and removals that a standard GUI updater might trip over. It's the gold standard for keeping a rolling system stable. So in short, my last couple of weeks with openSUSE Tumbleweed have been nothing short of revolutionary for me. I've installed it, it's worked perfectly, I'm learning how to use it. The YaST system is incredibly powerful, it's very exciting to use it because of all the power you do get. And knowing that I have the Snapper rollback option integrated into the system is a massive relief because I know if something goes wrong, I can rescue it. So I'm super happy about it. I've really enjoyed using openSUSE, and I'm really surprised how little it's spoken about on YouTube especially. I don't see any videos ever showing off openSUSE really. It's usually all the Arch-based distros, which again are great, but or it's Fedora or Ubuntu or Mint. It's all the sort of same ones. And I think openSUSE is definitely one you should be checking out. I think you'll really enjoy it if you spend the time just getting used to its systems. You can use KDE or GNOME. They are both fully supported in this, and they are not, one's not favored over the other. They're both fantastic. So KDE Plasma 6.6 came out yesterday as recording this, and it's already in the Tumbleweed repositories and ready to update. It's fantastic. It's so quick. And again, like I said, if it goes wrong, okay, then I'll roll it back. No problems. If you've got any thoughts on openSUSE, or if you've never used it, if you've got any questions, please drop them below. I'll be happy to help. If you want to see anything, if you want me to show you any updates, or you want to see how YaST works a little bit, I'm no expert, by the way. I'm just someone who is really enjoying their time with a Linux distribution, and that's very satisfying. So thanks for watching. Leave your comments below, and I'll speak to you next time. Goodbye.